Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Whaler channel. Today I'll show you how to upload folders and files to GitHub. So for this, we open any browser and we need GitHub itself. Go to GitHub and here click the sign up button or sign in. For me, it'll be sign up, since I still don't have an account. I'll choose Google, click continue, select your country or region here, and click create. Alright, past verification, we can accept cookies or not, whatever you prefer. And then click the plus button, click new repository. Here we need to give it a name. I'll call it example. Here we enter the description, example repository. Choose here who can see it. I'll choose private for me, since it doesn't matter for the video. Here you can add a readme, yes, that is, whether you need instructions or not. Here you can choose what it's written in, I believe, and the license if you have one. Click create repository. So here we can use GitHub's AI, which will help you add collaborators if needed. Now you can choose setup or link here, but I'll select setup in desktop and then you can edit directly on your computer, or you can use the link. Now let me upload a file here. Click upload file, click choose from your files, select the file you need on your computer, add some changes here and click commit changes. Right? So that's how it works. The file is uploading. I uploaded a video as an example, but it doesn't really matter. And that's how we uploaded the file here. There. You can add more files here if you need to, and then you can edit here as well. I recommend doing this through the app. So you can also add instructions here, as I mentioned, and add branches. You definitely need to add branches if you have a lot of different branching paths. To do this, click Add New Branch, name it accordingly, and click Create. And then you can use it later. Here we click Projects, and you can also use this click New Project and then manage your projects here. This has been Weiler. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you everyone.